The Daily Code Snippet. We have learned that an element consists of two paired tags, an opening tag and a closing tag. However, there is an exception in the case of empty elements. Empty elements only have an opening tag. The first element that you will write on a web page is the doctype declaration, and it is an empty element. Doctype HTML tells the browser that the document is being coded in HTML5, the latest iteration of HTML. You will still need to use the HTML element right after, which has both the HTML opening tag and the HTML closing tag. This tells the browser that we are working in the HTML language. Two other common empty elements to be aware of are BR, or break, and HR. BR inserts a line break and can be used within a paragraph text. For example, in the case of writing a poem. P opening tag. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, comma. BR tag. And sorry I could not travel both. P closing tag. Would display as two roads diverged in a yellow wood, comma, line break, and sorry I could not travel both. HR defines a thematic break or shift in topic and is displayed as a horizontal rule that separates content. P opening tag, text of one topic, P closing tag. HR, P opening tag, text of another topic, P closing tag, would display as text of one topic, a horizontal line, and text of another topic. Presented by Designers Learn Code.